Sauna bathing to relieve stress. With pressure from work, school, or family, it's not unusual to experience elevated stress and tension. But how can you relieve the pressure in a natural, easy way? How about using a sauna? Here's how to use a sauna to relieve unwanted stress. Heat relaxes tight, stiff muscles. The defining characteristic of every sauna is high heat. Sitting in the increased temperature of sauna can help target deep into stiff, tight muscles and joints. And within minutes, sauna bathing can ease discomfort and help you relax naturally. Create a distraction-free oasis. An in-home sauna is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Many say using the sauna before bed is the trick to getting the deep, peaceful sleep they need to be their best. Plus, with no appointment needed, a sauna at home makes it easy to enjoy me time, morning, noon, or night. Eliminate aches and pains naturally. When stress triggers pain, it's common to reach for medication. However, with a sauna at home, you can get all natural pain relief in minutes. A smart solution that can be enjoyed every day, a sauna at home is a healthy investment. So go ahead, take a sauna. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a sauna, pick up a copy of our free guide, Sauna Buying Made Easy. Just give us a call or visit our website at www.hotspringgreen.com.